Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the TK Maxx Tassel Keyring. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this clear plastic packet is a TK Maxx Tassel Keyring. And let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the sticky flap. And we can set the packet to the side and just laying out the TK Maxx Tassel Keyring on the tabletop so you have a full and clear look at this tassel keyring before I start handling it. Okay, and now taking a closer in look at this tassel keyring. As you can see, it does have a number of tassels in various colours, being green, yellow, blue and reddish orange. And taking a look at the clasp as well, we can see that it does have a gold hue to the lobster swivel clasp. And the keyring as well. Taking a look at the keyring. And of course, we can see a TK Maxx Treasure diamond on the round disc, which appears to be made out of wood. And of course the tassel itself. May be in a cotton fabric or some form of textile. Of course, giving you a look at the multicolored braid as well for the smaller bunch of tassels. And of course a further out look at the small as well as the large tassels. So you can see two bunches, one in a smaller bunch and of course the larger bunch. Of course, to give you some sense of the size or length of this TK Maxx Tassel Keyring, just laying the tassel in my palm and gripping or cupping it as well. And to give you some sense of the softness and responsiveness of the tassels and the swivel keyring with the lobster clasp. So right there up close at the details. And we can see the cord on the inside details, on the spine of the keyring with the tassels. So just neatening up the tassels so you have another look. And of course, right there, just swing the tassels about. So that's the TK Maxx Tassel Keyring. Thanks for watching and happy attaching!